This is an invitation to a 4-day free, 4 hours a day workshop. We're going to give you hands-on support so your presentations moving forward will not only impact people, but more importantly, they'll convert. In 1993, I made a remarkable discovery. When a prospect's listening to a presentation, only 7% of the content has any effect on their decision. So we're going to show you the 4 main steps to building a presentation that has continuity so they don't get lost, and they're going to be ready to buy and ready to join before you even get to the close. Matter of fact, we'll show you how they will actually close for you. So go ahead and opt in today. That free workshop, hands-on support, and building a presentation with you. Peace be the journey, and we'll see you in the jungles of the world.